The city's bold new housing action plan, complete with a directive from the city to build more multiplexes in residential neighborhoods, legalize rooming houses, was set back in December. Now, more information about how the city is going to be doing it starting to come to light.
The Housing Action Plan outlines many initiatives to be taken over the next 3 years. The majority of actions can move forward this year and in 2024.
Allowing multiplexes in neighborhoods and along major streets is just one of the many changes needed to the city's zoning bylaws, still to be determined, despite a new action plan being delivered for building more housing. The March report from the city says those details will be left until April. In the meantime, the framework for using public land, preserving existing rentals, working with co-ops and not-for-profits, among other initiatives, are being set out.
We all know it's time to break the status quo here at City Hall. And that means bringing an end to exclusionary zoning and simplifying the overly complicated set of rules that govern what individuals can build for themselves and their families.
With the report comes the announcement of a new online data dashboard to track affordable rentals, approved under construction, built homes, as well as homes demolished and replaced. The city's chief planner believes it can hit the province's goal of 285,000 new homes in Toronto by 2031.
We're confident that we can at least enable the achievement of that target, likely even exceed it. It does represent, though, from a construction capacity, industry capacity point of view, a very challenging number to hit because we've never really built at that rate.
Those outside factors involving all involved in the housing industry make a big difference. Experts say there's no one-size-fits-all answer to the problem.
And the city is an important actor, and we shouldn't take them out of the story, but we're going to need all hands on deck, all orders of government, plus the private sector and nonprofits who are engaged in this space as well, to really make a dent in this housing crisis.
The report points out that making changes could be difficult for the city unless the province fulfills its promise to recoup some of the development charges that were lost as a result of its own housing legislation last year.
They have stepped up for 2022, and I'm hopeful that they'll step up for 2023 and also hold themselves to account for the promise they made about making us whole around Bill 23.
All the planning and policies are set to take effect before a new mayor is actually elected in June. How this might be affected by someone being elected with a different vision, Deputy Mayor Jennifer McAllister says she has faith in the 25 councillors who've been elected before now to make good decisions. Mark McAllister, City News.